Welcome to Hoi An. There's the site. Ah, intersection. Eye of the Dragon. It's like I was born on one of these. This could be the luckiest day of my life. Well, well, well. Look what we have here. It's a joke. You'll work it out. Are you lucky? Are you a lucky boy? How Zoo? 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 So it's only 7:30, but it's breakfast time, and looky here. Look what I've come across.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine.
Banh Mi. Let's have a look what we've got here. My God, 30,000. You know what 30,000 is by now. It's under $2. How Zoo?
Siêu.
Zoo?
Siêu.
Su?
Xem.
Tit How Su?
Siêu.
Might have nailed it. Alright, let's get one of those. Thank you.
Chili okay?
Chili's good.
Yeah.
Thanks, mate.
Good way to start the morning, isn't it?
I'm just going to show you the different coffees they have in Vietnam. I don't know if we've done this before. Coffee, egg coffee, salt coffee, coconut coffee. So those four are pretty much the most common coffee. What I've got here is a salt coffee. You know when you have chocolate and sometimes you can buy chocolate salted. It's got a little bit of salt on it. I know Link do one. This coffee's very similar. So when you have it, you've got coffee flavour, and it tastes like salt. And salt and coffee, believe it or not, are pretty good. Just so relaxed and quiet. It's totally different to Hanoi. Of course, it's different to Hanoi. It's just got its own vibe about it. Okay, I've decided to jump on a bike. I looked up my app and they said there's a free tour, a few hours on a bicycle. Let's check it out. It's supposed to be around here somewhere. I'm not really sure. I think I'm in the wrong spot. Alright, I've just met Huang.
Yeah.
Huang's going to take me on a bike ride for a few hours. I just learned Huang has TikTok follow. How many followers have you got on TikTok?
Yeah, I got 400,000 followers on TikTok.
400,000.
Yes.
Wow.
And how many followers you have?
How many followers do I have?
Yeah.
Come on, let's get going. Enough of this. This is my bike. I've got the Martin 107. Wow. All right, let's see how this goes. It's like I was born on one of these. Let's go see what Huang? Let's go see what he's got in store for us. Oh, well, well, look what we have here. A 1,000-year-old well. Locals still use this today. They use this water as a special noodle and dumpling meal that is made especially with this water. 1,000 years old. Incredible. Let's move on, see what else we got. Ah, intersection. Like a pro. I'm just waiting for someone to yell out to me, like your bike. We'll have to come back to these markets, I reckon. Ten minutes ago, we're cycling through the middle of Hoi An. Now look where we are. Push bike, 10 minutes. Sensational. These rice fields are incredible. So Vietnam is the #1 exporter of rice in the world, followed by Thailand is second, and India is third. In these rice fields, lots of animals. There's frogs, snakes, snails, all sorts of creatures. I learnt the reason why Vietnamese eat a lot of snails, because they don't have any fast food. It's a joke. You'll work it out. So see this here? This is rice. Young rice. So unravelling this stalk here produces this rice, and this rice will go all the way up this stem to maturity. Also got this red thing here. This is snail eggs. So all the snails out there, that's their eggs, and that's why I have lots of ducks in the rice fields. The ducks help maintain, they eat all those eggs, so there's not too many snails. Wow, that duck looks fresh. I'll have duck for dinner tonight. Okay, so they say the water buffalo is a pretty lucky animal, what I found. Look at this guy. I wonder if he'll eat some grass. Come here, big fella. Let's see. I'm going to lose a hand here. Are you lucky? Are you a lucky boy? Hey? Come here. Come here. Hey? Who's a lucky boy? Bring it in. Give me a hug. I need some luck. Here it is, the Driftwood Village. Let's go and check this out. Looks to be some skilled craftsmen over here. I'll grab some footage. Oh, this looks like he's making a cow. Let me have a look at this cow. Sneak in here. Cow there. Looks like this guy's making a cow. Not sure what this guy is. Okay. What's this one? This one? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, banging away, making some cows and kids, it looks like. All right, some more carving going on here. Xin chào.
Chào. Bà ta nộm. Em thiệt đó.
Ở cái nhà mà nhà cũ anh vừa ở đây. Là nhà nó là nó quay rồi giếng rồi nữa.
I like the protective workwear. Can't believe this guy's still got 10 toes.
Mà có cái ví dụ có cửa thoát hiểm đó đúng không? Ngoài xa nó có cái vườn nước ngoài xa đó, lồn rồi đó.
Ta nộm ổn. Anh để mà kia rồi cái bụt đó.
There's not a nick, one nick on that guy's feet or toes. Crafts and souvenirs over this side. Wow, this is like a little city. A little city made out of wood. All the different streets. Just fascinating. Some more sculptures here. More buffalo. This could be the luckiest day of my life. Look at that. Nice, beautiful morning. Found myself a bike. Visiting a few places. It's a great day. Look where I found myself. The vegetable garden.
Okay, phun vô, okay.
There we go. They say you can buy anything here for $1 a kilo, so any of these young vegetables and young lettuces and herbs, you bag up $1 a kilo, $1 that is per kilo. Wow. Oh, thank you. That's so fresh, unwashed. You get a little bit of dirt piece every now and then. That's fine. This one? Mint. Mint.
Hey.
Squish this up. Get that smell. That's so fresh. Wow. Oh, makes me think of a banh mi. Everything makes me think of a banh mi. Oh. I can eat this all day. How lucky. How lucky.
Hello. Đây cái gì đó. Mua đó.
Look at that. Lemongrass basil tea. Oh, it's just nice and cold and refreshing. That's good. Vegetable garden, highly recommend. If you're coming to Hoi An, this is the place to come. Fantastic. Where are we going next?
We go to the local market.
Local market.
Yeah.
Let's do that. Sounds good. So I've just dropped into the local markets. This isn't a tourist market. This is where the locals do all their trading. Let's have a look at this. Mangoes, winter melon, tomatoes, morning glory. It's a good dish in the mornings that they have, especially down south. It's like spinach. So we'll see all these people at the tables. Hopefully they'll sell out their fish today as well.
Hello.
Look at this big long one. What? You see this big long one here? Hello. Xin chào. There we go, just like anywhere else in the world. Weighed, sold. Happy customer. That one there, by the way, is actually called longtail fish. The one with the long tail, I didn't make that up. The longtail fish is called longtail fish. So again, this is a locals market. All these clothes will be worn by the locals. They're not made for tourists. Really simple sort of clothing. Any problems, just come in and see the lady on the sewing machine there. You can have a look here. Yeah, they're more clothes worn by Asian countries and little kids that you see. Rose apple. It's a rose apple.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a rose apple.
Rose apple. Yeah. These ones up here.
Longan.
Longan. Oranges. And over here, these are oranges as well. Still orange on the inside though, so quite green oranges compared to what we're used to eating anywhere else. Try this. It's the rose apple. It's juicy. To be honest, it's quite tasteless. Not something I'd buy and eat all the time. So these are longans?
Longan. And longan, it looks like lychee, but it's not lychee.
Not
And in Vietnam, longan, it means eyes of the dragon. Because when you bite it looks like the eyes.
Oh wow, look at that. Like dragon eyes, so they're not
Yeah,
they're not lychees?
not lychee.
Longan.
Longan. More
Okay.
sweeter than lychee.
Sweeter.
Yeah.
Okay. Eye of the dragon. I'll try one of these. Let's try a longan. Close to a lychee. Eye of the dragon. They're alright too. That's not too bad. Hey! On our way to some boats. I don't know what boats mean. We're on our way to some boats. So that's pretty cool. Guess where I am? I should have it on sports mode.
Okay.
You're never too old for something like that.
Qua mua chụp với nhỏ đây. Chặt ra phốt rồi.
Old mate's just pulled a machete on me.
Nhiều. Coconut.
Coconut.
Coconut nhâm nhâm.
Coconut, eh?
Nhâm nhâm.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at this. Soft, translucent.
Yeah. Nhâm nhâm.
Oh, it's really nice. Thanks, mate. Oh,
Lúc
more.
rồi, lúc rồi.
More. You know, like a lychee with zero taste. Oh, you couldn't live on them. Thanks, that was good. Here we are in coconut boats in Hoi An. Another incredible experience with Kindred Trails.
Bye bye.
See you, mate.
Bye. Okay.
Thanks, mate. There we go. Coconut boating. Who knew? So while I'm cycling, I picked up a new hobby. Just amongst the boring bits, the scenery. I just get one of these leads, just one-handed. One-handed while I'm weaving amongst cyclists and traffic, that is. I just... Morning! Grasshopper. Okay, back into the hustle and bustle of Hoi An. The busy streets. The busy streets and tailors and dresses. Wow, that was some morning. One of the things we did, we went to saw some rice fields. We saw the 1,000-year-old well. Rice fields, vegetable village, the local markets. Where else did we go? We went into coconut boating, spun some coconuts around. We've done heaps. I'm going to take a break and have some lunch. Head back out late this evening and see what Hoi An's got to offer. We'll see you later on.